What is the cultural evolution? What's the first concept? Early man. Second concept is agricultural evolutions. Third concept is ancient civilizations. These are linked. Early man had to go around walking, 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 and eating. Nothing he knew, no knowledge. One day he got the knowledge of agriculture. Somehow he must have got it. When you put seeds, he must have observed over a long period, after some decades, sorry, uh, almost like 50, 60,000 years it took. And in 10,000, around 10,000 BC, in the whole world, agriculture started. Agriculture made man in one place, isn't it? Almost what life we lead today started then. It has not changed, it will not change. We will eat, we'll sleep, we'll live, we will die, we'll have some rituals. If not old rituals, we'll invent new rituals. That's not a big deal. So that's when the humankind came. Then they formed. From here, I believe that it became more and more organized. Laws came, religions came. Religions means they give a whole system of thought about what is man and his place. Here, you should separate the religion from the science. The- But religion also is not fully non-scientific. Religion is about human nature. It's about how we should live. It's about acceptance of fact, the essence of your being. It is spirituality, as they say, but it is scientific and atheistic. This aspect we know today. It was not known then. Religions then were not clear on science, but they were clear on what happiness we can have. When we don't have any stupidity, we are happy. That's all is religion. So I'm making it more or less stupid now with the same spirit. If religion is inquiry, let's say, religion is inquiry. Many people know that religion is an inquiry into what is this universe. So if you look at Ashtavakara Gita, things come into being, things stay, things perish. Looking at that, I know that I can't be hurt. What is the meaning of this? Tell me. It's science, no? When you look at all the facts, then you are not hurt. This principle let's take and find out our um, final conclusion.